Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic blank transition for your Instagram Reels using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed this InShot application on your mobile phone, and then you can create a new project. And I'm just going to open up the project I have just created. Okay, and then we're going to add audio to this project. We can go to the audio and then select music, and you can add music or song from your device, or you can use music from CapCut. And I'm going to use music from CapCut. For example, I'm going to use this music. Okay, I'm going to click on this plus icon to add the music, and then I'm going to add beat marks to this music. We can go to the beat menu, and then we can activate the auto beat. The InShot application has released auto beat feature guys, and this feature allows us to add beat marks automatically to our audio. You just need to choose the intensity right here, and I'm just going to choose this intensity. Okay, this one, and then click on the check mark, and we're going to cut the video according to the beat mark. I'm going to split right here. We're going to adjust the transition to the beat mark so we can split on the beat mark. Okay, and I'm not gonna do it for the rest of my video guys. I'm just gonna make it like this just for an example, right? Okay, and then I'm going to add blank clip to this project. You can place this pointer on the transition part, and then you can click on this plus icon right here and then select blank, and then you're going to adjust the blank clip with the transition. Just repeat this step, add the blank clip and adjust it. Okay, click on this plus icon, add blank and adjust it. Yeah, that's so easy, and it will create a cool transition. Okay, one more clip. Okay, and then I'm going to play it guys to show you. Okay, like this. Wait, let me mute my clip. Like this. And okay guys, that's all the way to create a cinematic blank transition for Instagram Reels using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.